warning alarm tone as a test of our weather radio station's warning alarm system. This is only a test. During potentially dangerous weather situations, specially built receivers can be automatically activated to warn of the impending hazard. Tests of the signal and receiver's performance are normally conducted between 11 a.m. and noon Eastern Time each Wednesday. If there is a threat of or existing severe weather in the area, we will postpone the test to the next available good weather day. Reception of this broadcast, and especially the warning alarm tone, will vary at any given location. The variability is more noticeable at greater distances from the transmitter and will occur even though you are using a good quality receiver in good working order. In order to provide the most consistent and dependable warning service possible, we will activate the signal only for the following counties which are within our broadcast reach: Bell, Breathitt, Clay, Floyd, Harlan, Jackson, Knott, Knox, Lawrence, Lee, Leslie, Letcher, Martin, Owsley, Perry, and Pike counties. In Tennessee, Claiborne County. In West Virginia, Wayne and Mingo counties. In Virginia, Buchanan, Dickinson, Lee, and Wise counties. Once again, this has been a test of the National Weather Service's radio public warning alarm. We will now return to our recorded programming.
This hazardous weather outlook is for the following counties: in Kentucky, Knox, Laurel, it was 79 at Knoxville, 86 at Nashville, and 76 at Crossville. Morristown reported 77, Sevierville reported 81, and Bristol reported 75. Here is a special weather statement for the following counties: in Kentucky, Adair, Casey, Clinton, Greene, Lincoln, Marion, Metcalf, Russell, and Taylor. Gusty winds today. Scattered severe storms possible. Winds will come in from the south this morning ahead of an approaching cold front and may gust to near 40 miles per hour at times.
Here we go.
This is the National Weather Service office in Jackson, Kentucky. We have just activated the public warning alarm tone as a test of our weather radio station's warning alarm system. This is only a test. During potentially dangerous weather situations, specially built receivers can be automatically activated to warn of the impending hazard. Tests of the signal and receiver's performance are normally conducted between 11 a.m. and noon Eastern Time each Wednesday. If there is a threat of or existing severe weather in the area, we will postpone the test to the next available good weather day. Reception of this broadcast, and especially the warning alarm tone, will vary at any given location. The variability is more noticeable at greater distances from the transmitter and will occur even though you are using a good quality receiver in good working order. In order to provide the most consistent and dependable warning service possible, we will activate the signal only for the following counties which are within our broadcast reach: Adair, Casey, Clinton, Greene, Knox, Laurel, Lincoln, Marion, McCreary, Metcalf, Pulaski, Rockcastle, Russell, Taylor, Wayne, and Whitley counties. Once again, this has been a test of the National Weather Service's radio public warning alarm. We will now return to our recorded programming.
That's creepy. This one didn't go off again for some reason. Not good. You know what? Let's be daring for a minute. I swear to G, if this thing goes off on me in seconds, I'm gonna blow up. There you go. Here. Just for the heck of it. Nope. These weather radios soon. I don't know why that one takes a few minutes, but Got this one
Sunday
hit, went
night,
off
clear.
12.
Lows in the lower 50s. Monday, sunny.